My name is Lisa Toman, and I offer equine-assisted psychotherapy. And equine-assisted psychotherapy is an approach to counseling and psychotherapy that incorporates horses and the natural environment. When people are working with horses, they're often really moved in ways that they aren't in other aspects. The relationship that forms between the horse and the client is unique in this sort of therapy and is what seems to give the most positive results. It's that physical contact and touch, and it may have been particularly for clients with poor attachment or trauma, that physical touch can be like an emotional reparative experience, and it begins the process of possibly reconnecting with people and developing trust over time, and a non-judgmental opportunity for clients to work with this. And when they change their behavior or feelings or become congruent with what their experience is, the horse is much more responsive and will also change how they are with the client. It gives opportunities to practice new ways of being in a non-threatening and non-judgmental environment. And this can be very beneficial for clients, especially ones who, again, have had experiences with therapy in the past where it's not been effective, or they've been resistant to the room-based therapy or working with people.